Today, we're uncovering 5 legendary trucks banned from American roads, and how US presidents, from Reagan to Trump, played a role in keeping them out. From diesel icons to off-road beasts, these trucks defy US laws, tariffs, and political agendas. Let's shift gears and dive in. 1. Scania V8. Europe's king of the highway, Scania's V8 powered trucks dominate 17% of the EU market. But in the US, they're virtually extinct. Why? Euro 6 diesel versus EPA. Scania's engines, while clean in Europe, clash with US emissions standards tightened under President Obama's EPA. Trump's chicken tax expansion. In 2018, Trump invoked a 25% tariff on imported trucks under Section 232, citing national security. For Scania, this added $50K plus per truck, pricing them out against Detroit's Freightliner. Data privacy fears. Trump banned Scania buses in 2020 over cybersecurity concerns, spooking truck buyers. Fun fact: Scania briefly sold trucks in the US in the 80s but retreated due to poor sales. Today, only a handful exist as grey market imports. 2. Toyota Hilux. The Hilux is a global legend, except in America. Blame President Reagan and a 1960s trade spat. 1964 chicken tax. LBJ slapped a 25% tariff on imported light trucks to retaliate against European chicken tariffs. Reagan upheld it, making the Hilux unprofitable. Safety loopholes. The Hilux lacks side airbags and advanced crumple zones, failing NHTSA standards updated under Clinton. Grey market chaos. A few Hiluxes slip in as farm vehicles, but they can't be legally registered for road use. Why it hurts. Americans craving the Hilux's toughness must settle for the Tacoma, a tamer cousin. 3. Mercedes-Benz Unimog. This Swiss Army knife of trucks can plow snow, haul logs, and climb mountains. But in the US, it's classified as a non-compliant commercial vehicle due to lighting and safety standards. The Unimog's European signals and cab design clash with the rules overhauled under George W. Bush. Emissions hurdles. Its diesel engine can't meet EPA Tier 4 standards strengthened under Obama. Biden's EV push. With Biden prioritizing electric trucks, Mercedes won't retrofit the Unimog for a shrinking diesel market. Silver lining. Some Unimogs are imported as off-road only for $200,000 plus. 4. Ford Ranger Raptor. The desert racing Ranger Raptor thrilled global markets for years, but Ford kept it from the US until 2023. Why? CAFE standards. To meet Obama-era fuel economy rules, Ford prioritized selling eco-friendly crossovers over gas-guzzling Raptors. Trump's rollback. In 2020, Trump eased CAFE standards, letting Ford finally bring the Raptor stateside, but with a detuned engine to pass emissions. Irony alert. The US spec Raptor is less powerful than its global sibling. Thanks, EPA. 5. Land Rover Defender 130 pickup. The Defender 130's rugged pickup variant is a global favorite, but it's never sold in America. Blame. Crash test woes. The Defender's side impact protection failed NHTSA tests updated under Biden in 2021. Trump's tariff threat. In 2019, Trump threatened 25% tariffs on EU vehicles, prompting Land Rover to delay US launches. Biden's EV focus. Land Rover now prioritizes electric models, leaving the diesel Defender pickup in limbo. Why presidents shape your truck choices from Reagan's trade wars to Biden's EV mandates. US leaders have long dictated what trucks you can drive. Trump's tariffs and Obama's emissions rules keep Euro trucks out, while safety reforms under Clinton and Bush block iconic models. Drop a comment. Which banned truck do you wish you could drive? Should the US loosen import laws? Let's debate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more shocking automotive secrets from Speed Scout.